Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Haris Theneti, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and I was doing my radio program, and one caller called me, and she said she was threatened by her parents that she will be married if she's not performing well in her examinations. So this video I am making specially for parents, actually the dental doctors or intermediate or any engineering, who are in professional courses, and their parents are threatening them that if you don't study well, I'll get you married, or if you are not studying well, you have to stop education and all. So this video I'm making for parents, actually. um, if your child, if your daughter is working hard, preparing, studying well, and if she misses her rank, or if she's not getting into government college, or if she's not getting what required department she's aiming at, then if you are threatening your daughter, or if you are threatening your child to get married, or of any of that sort, stopping education, no more education if you are not getting rank and all. So I beg, I request, I order, I ask all the parents to think this way. If your child is into professional college and trying hard to pursue MDS, or trying hard to pursue something else in her life, and you threaten her to get married, that's the worst form of parenting you can ever do. Okay? Because these days there are children who are getting married in 8th class, 7th class, in classrooms. There are students who go out and drug. There are students who are bunking classes and always found in theaters. And there are students who are smoking. There are students who are drinking. There are students who are spoiling their careers. There are students who just don't understand any of the subject. And if your child, if your daughter is working hard, and if she is missing her rank, I think you should give them a chance. You will never get such an opportunity. You will be bad parents if you stop her education and get her married. I request all the parents to think this way. Your child is born to do something else, and you are forcefully getting her married. I don't say don't get married, or do not do marriage till 36, 37. I say give them chance, give them some hope, give them some encouragement, give them a life. Tell them, okay, this is your time limit, work hard, we will provide all everything what we can provide, and if you don't get till this date, then we will start looking for options. But till then, please support them. Please give them that chance. Please, once or twice. I think all the lady doctors, all the lady BDS surgeons, BDS doctors who are aspiring to become MDS or something else in their life, please give them that hope. Please give them that chance. And I want all the lady doctors, because there are so many girl doctors, BDS female doctors coming out. And I will tell you one thing: if you cannot convince your parents, that means you are at fault. So I want you to go ahead, prove yourself, get good marks in the university examinations, do something big. Only then you will be able to convince your parents. And if you can't convince your parents, if you cannot convince the society, if you cannot convince society, I think you cannot do anything in life. So go ahead, get good marks, work hard, make sure that your parents get convinced, your staff get convinced, your society gets convinced. At the same time, he gets convinced, even God should get convinced, and he should feel like, yes, I should give this girl some life. Okay? So I want you to understand this. Please go ahead and work hard. Do not wait for chances. I heard one girl saying, I have reservation, sir, I don't have to work hard. No, do not do that. Because you are a girl, they will get you married. Because you are a girl, they will look down on you. Because you are a girl, they will not give you push, because they feel after doing MDS also they have to get married, children, and that life is different. So why unnecessarily invest in this? So if you are not strong enough, if you are not proving yourself, I think they will have an upper chance, they will have an upper hand. So go ahead and work hard. If you miss this year NEET, next year I want you to put your leg on the pedal, full accelerator, and study, 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 study. And whatever your dream is, become a surgeon, become a prosthodontist, endodontist, or IAS, IPS, whatever it is, work hard. And you will always find time to work hard. You should not say, I don't have time, I have to manage this, I have to manage that. No, you will always have time. All right, make time, convince. And you should never feel why I should convince the society, why I should convince my parents. Don't I have rights? Never get into that mindset. They are loving you, that's why they pressurize you into these things, because they don't want you to fail. I tell you, work hard. Your failure should be sweeter. Okay, even though you fail, your parents should feel you worked so hard, give one more attempt. Okay, that should be the attitude. And I want you to work hard towards it, put up a goal, and convince everyone. Go ahead in life, right? And all the lady doctors, I really wish all of you a happy 2021. And there are so many lady doctors coming out, so I want you to become that special doctor who can heal, right? Thank you so much for patient listening. Show this to your parents and make sure that they understand. And keeping this in mind, work hard and achieve your goals, right? Thank you so much.